Life is short. Sometimes you just gotta go for it.
Hi, my name is Darlene Reyes-Mentgen. Have you ever had a dream so big that it scared you? If this is you, I'd like to personally invite you to my next speaker series titled Stepping Out of Your Comfort Zone.
I'll talk one-on-one with Michael and Melissa Harlow, a San Diego couple who decided to take the plunge and quit their jobs to sail around the world. But that's just half the story.
So, how do they do it? And how did they prepare financially, mentally, and physically for this next challenge? It's an inspiring story that you won't want to miss.
To reserve your spot for August 29th, email me at darlene@groupadventures.com.
I can't wait to see you at my next health and wellness speaker series. See you on the 29th.